Good evening, a big boy and his toys. And we have another safety razor. And this is the Yates Precision Manufacturing Precision Shaving Products. And comes in this tin here. I found them through social media, and they started popping up. So I looked on YouTube as well. And Greg Tardif did a video on this as well. A little IPA action here. This is Berryessa Brewing Company out of Winters, California. I'm in California, so your Costco is going to have its variety here of beer. So nice, $12.99 for a 4-pack, so not bad. Yeah, nice little tin comes in, heavy, got some heft, and so I started looking around their website. They do have the different razors as well. This is their flagship model, 921M, and learned a little fact today on the 921 is a date, and that date is a birthday, and they have 2 sons. So husband and wife, and then they have a couple kids, 2 boys, and they're not twins, but they're both born on 921. So years apart, but just born on the same day. So that's where that comes from. And here we go. 5-pack in Nasset blades, Gillette Nasset stainless. I've always wanted to try these, so got myself a pack. And here is the razor here. The slot here, you can order an extra base plate. You can get custom work done. The type of solid bar. This is scalloped right here, and you can do solid bar, open comb. You can do a hybrid open comb on one side, and then do something different on the other. Solid or scalloped. There's material choices as well. And what they had showing available is the stonewash. And this is the steel, so that's the heaviness. So you can do brass and titanium if you do custom. And custom engraving, the whole 9. Here's their logo on the top cap there. And you can get initials done. Of course, extra money to do stuff like that. Different lengths of handles you can do as well in the custom world. But this is the standard order of the 921. There's also different base plates you can order as blade revealers. They have 2 more that will give more blade reveal. And let's screw that here. I believe this is a 4-inch handle here, the long handle. You can go a little smaller, 3.75 and so forth. I think they offer like 2 more shorter lengths there. Let's see, here's the top cap again. Hopefully you can see the Yates logo there. And then here's the inside where you'll load the blade. It's just their typical notches, like any other safety razor, except the Henson. Henson's a little different. They have little slots. And so I've been using the L13. It's a very light razor. Now it's a very heavy razor. And we'll get to that story in a bit on my shave on this. Here is the base plate here. So Labor Day weekend I ordered this, and then I ordered on the 4th, and then being a small company, I figured they were on vacation because I thought I would have it by the end of the week or the beginning of the next week. And I didn't get it till the 16th, and it was a Saturday. And here's the back of the base plate. And you're going to see model 921M. And then on the other side, let's see if we can, hopefully that focuses. You're going to see 9/20/23 USA. So made in the USA. Waynesburg, Pennsylvania. American made here. And that 9/23 date right there is the date this was manufactured, or the month. I'm sorry, it's the month. So this was freshly made. So I don't know if it's just the base plate or the entire safety razor, but I mean that made this feel really special, and made it worth the wait. I waited a little longer than I thought because I figured this was just an in stock item and it was ready to rock, ready to ship. and that was cool. I really liked that. Um, I really liked that what you call it, just uh, the small things. You like the small things that matter. So yeah, it just made it feel special. And so they have other items. They make stands. They make other lines of razors. So this is the flagship. They have another razor called the America, and they also have a ladies razor and actually a beginner's razor. So they do got some options there. And then but the 921 and the America, you can do some custom stuff, engraving, and then this you can length of handle, material handle, engraving material and style of your base plate and your top cap there. So you got some options if you want to do some engraving. Of course, costs more. Yeah, so some Nasset blades, 5-pack. So get to try those, and then I always like the little logo there. It has the razor blade cutting through the alligator there, crocodile. So I thought that was pretty cool. And put that back in the box there. So there's a little inkwell stand for this, and they didn't have it on their website to select. So I found a company called the Razor Company. They're out of Michigan, and I found that inkwell stand right here. Comes in a little drawstring pouch. There's the Yates logo there. Same finish, stone wash. Yates Precision Manufacturing has a little drain plug, or I'm sorry, drain hold for any water that may be on here. If you just after you're done shaving, you just put it right there. I take my razors apart and dry them out, and then put it, assemble and then put them on their stand. Right here it says Yates Precision Manufacturing, and here it is. So yeah, the razor company, they had it, and they actually have this razor too. They have the stone wash. So I paid through Yates for the razor 160, got 10% off, dropped it to 144, free shipping, and then no sales tax. The razor company, actually, I was looking at their website last night because I believe I got the last stand from them, and it's $32 for the stand. But Yates, the razor company has this, or has the 921M for 140, and then you can get 10% off their first time buy deal for the code, so you can get actually a little cheaper than I got it. And but the only thing is that date code. What's that? If there's a date code on the base on the bottom, the base plate, or not, or it's just an old date. It's whatever floats your boat. I just thought that was cool because I go, oh man, I could have got this cheaper. I could have got both of these together cheaper. Through the razor company, but it's all good. It's all good. Um, so 32 bucks. So with the discount, it dropped it to 28, and I needed $35 for free shipping. And so I picked up another couple of packs of the sets here, and here they are. And I believe Nasset means to cut. And then those were like $1.68, I think, a piece. And then I was going through their blade selection because I didn't want to get like a whole. I could have got like maybe a 15, 20 pack of these for like $8, but I didn't want the same blade. I want something different as well. You want to play with different blades. And I found these in Chinese blade, Cloud Super Stainless, and these were pricey. These were $2 and some odd cents. I would say about $5 for both of these. This pack, that's pretty pricey. Um, I mean, I paid $5 for one pack of Gillette Blue, Platinum Blues back in the day from Art of Shaving. But those are great though. But the reason why I picked these out is because of Bruce Lee is on the front. So I bought 2 boxes. I want to keep one, um, you know, not used, and then I'll try one of these. I'll go through the box I'll go through one of the boxes. But the glue's coming out off the sides here. But here's the other one. Yeah, but Bruce Lee on the front. So we'll see how these cut. We'll see how Bruce does here. So yeah, American made here. That's why the price is 160 bucks. But you know, like I said, you can find this cheaper. The Razor Company, check them out as well. Uh, you know, they carry a lot of stuff. I didn't go too in depth. I was just focusing on Yates, and then they got other things out there. And so yeah, this is the most I spent on a razor, 144. You know, you can get two Hensons for that price. You know, you can get you know the L13 and the L13 medium like I got too for the price of one of these. But this is something else as far as, you know, finish and stuff. But yeah, I did cut myself shaving with this. I used a third use feather blade, which I shouldn't have used. I should always start with a brand new blade on razor. I have a habit of that, not using it's the timing of things, because I want to use this, and I should have just used an Astra Green with this. But yeah, I used a feather, and yeah, I got my trouble spots are each side of my Adam's apple, and I got both sides. I had a pimple on my cheek, and I got the cheek. You know, I got that pimple and nicked that pimple, and then I got shave happy on the chin, and I knew that was coming because I just felt the way I did that stroke, and it's just, oh man, I know that's coming. And so, but yeah, overall great shave. It was just right, and I started the right side burning, and I can just feel it go. And you know, I'm using a really light razor, the AL13. And then going to this, I just made sure I just let the weight of the razor do the work. And so, yeah, you know, it happens. You know, it's the whole point of learning learning different razors. You know, so no one's perfect. You know, so you know, just because I, you know, spent all this money doesn't mean I'm gonna get the flawless shave and, you know, not cut myself and so forth. You know, no, it takes time and patience and a good blade. You know, I'm not saying the feathers. I think the feather is way too sharp for me. The Gillette Platinum Blue is kind of like my thing for an aggressive blade. So yeah, I kept that feather blade. I was gonna dump it, but I want to put in my L13 for the fourth use, because I want to see how that compared to my fourth use of a Gillette Platinum Blue. The first three shaves of that were awesome, and then the fourth one was just okay. It felt like shaving with like a Repara or a Wash Hot on their, you know, last leg. So I'll only do three passes on the I'm three I'm sorry three shaves. So, you know, first shave, second shave, third shave, and after that I dump it. I dump the blade. You know, they're cheap enough. You know, I got them at good price. You know, 100 pack at good pricing. So, you know, I buy about the bulk packs of them. So I have a 100 pack of Repara, Bosch Hod, um, the Astra, and then the Gillette Platinums, and then I have some other, single 5 packs laying around of, you know, Merkur, Bolzano. Oh, and I got those arcade blades from the free ones that you get with the, you know, you use the right promo code. If you buy Henson, you know, you can get a 100 pack of arcade blades. Those are like good for like 2 uses, 1 to 2. So you can go through those quick. You can just use it once and just toss it. They're not my favorite. They're the bottom of the barrel. But yeah, the Yates Precision Manufacturing 921M safety razor. I mean, beautiful. The stonewash finish. You can start staring at it a lot more. You start seeing the machine marks, and I think I like this. This is really cool. This is really cool. So Big Boy and his toys. Thank you for watching. Check out Yates's website. Check out, you know, the Razor Company's website. You might find something you like. Thank you for watching again, and have a great weekend.